Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to fix your Chime's direct deposit if it's late. So why is your Chime direct deposit can be late? So here are some common reasons that you can find. So Chime is a popular voice feature of providing direct deposit opportunities early. However, sometimes delay can happen, causing stress and uncertainty. If your Chime direct deposit is late today, there are several common reasons. It can be due to federal banking holiday, which can delay the processing time across all the financial institutions, a fact often highlighted by the Federal Reserve. Another possibility is a processing delay from your employer's payroll department. They might have submitted the payroll information later than usual. Sometimes the issue can be as simple as incorrect account or routing numbers, especially if this is your first direct deposit with a new employer. It's always a good first step to double check the details you provide. And here's what to do when your deposit is delayed. So when you're expecting money and doesn't arrive, the first thing is not to panic. There are a logical process you can follow. First, contact your employer or payroll provider to confirm the direct deposit was sent and to verify the exact time and date it was processed. If they confirm everything is correct on their end, the next step is to check your Chime app for any notification or updates. If you still don't have any answer, you can reach out to their Chime support team for assistance. Remember that the easiest transfer, which are used for the direct deposit, can sometimes take a few business days to fully process. So a little patience might be all that needs. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.